Question: Explain the nature of the serious problems facing Pakistan in 1947. Which of these problems were short-term and which were long-term? 1947 में पाकिस्तान को किन संगीन मसाइल का सामना था? कौन से मुख्तसर और तवील मुद्दती थे? आंसर: In 1947, Pakistan became a new country and faced very serious problems from the start. The country had almost no proper government system, very little money, and weak institutions. There was also massive violence during partition. Millions of people became refugees and needed shelter, food, and jobs. Pakistan also had problems with India about money, army equipment, and future relations. Short-term problems, temporary problems. Huge refugee crisis, millions of people arriving homeless. Financial crisis, very little money in government treasury. Division of government offices and assets. Lack of buildings, offices, and staff for new government. Long-term problems, long-lasting problems. Kashmir dispute with India. Water canal dispute over rivers. Permanent hostility and tension with India. Q2. Question: How serious was Indian hostility to Pakistan? भारत की दुश्मनी कितनी संगीन थी? Answer: Indian hostility was very serious and created many difficulties for Pakistan. India did not fully cooperate in sharing resources after partition. It delayed giving Pakistan its share of money and military equipment. India also created political and military tension over Kashmir. The water dispute also showed hostility, as India controlled river waters that Pakistan depended on. This made Pakistan feel unsafe and under pressure from its neighbor. Q3. Question: Study sources AC. How reliable and useful do you think each source is? How do sources AC help explain the misery suffered by many ordinary people in 1947? Why do you think people behaved in this way towards each other? जरा AC को देखें, ये कितने काबिल एतिमाद हैं। ये 1947 में लोगों की तकलीफ कैसे दिखाते हैं। लोग एक दूसरे के साथ ऐसा क्यों करते थे? Answer: Sources AC are very useful because they are based on real experiences and reports from 1947. They show what ordinary people suffered during partition. They are useful because they give first-hand or near first-hand information. They are partly reliable, but they may show strong emotions and not always full balance. What they show about suffering. Many people were killed in violence. Families were separated forever. Homes and villages were destroyed. Millions became refugees and lived in camps. Why people behaved violently. Fear of other communities. Desire for revenge after attacks. Rumors spreading quickly. Religious and communal hatred increased. Breakdown of law and order. Q4. Question: Why were some people surprised that Pakistan survived? लोग हैरान क्यों थे कि पाकिस्तान बच गया? Answer: Many people expected Pakistan to fail because it started with very weak conditions. It had little money, almost no administrative system, and a weak army. It also faced strong problems from India. However, Pakistan survived because of strong leadership, especially Quaid-e-Azam, and the determination of its people who worked hard to build the new country. Q5. Question: What were the four main problems facing Pakistan in 1947? 1947 में पाकिस्तान के 4 बड़े मिसाइल किया थे। आंसर। Refugee crisis, millions of people needed food and shelter. Division of assets and fair sharing of money and goods. Princely states issue joining of states like Kashmir. Water dispute control of rivers with India. Q6. Question: what proportion of the assets of the government of India were supposed to go to Pakistan? पाकिस्तान को कितने हिस्से मिलने थे? Answer. Pakistan was supposed to receive 5/17 of the total assets of the old Indian government. This means India received a much larger share than Pakistan. Q7. Question: why didn't India hand over the military equipment that Pakistan was entitled to? भारत ने फौजी सामान क्यों नहीं दिया? Answer. India refused to delay giving Pakistan its share of military equipment because it feared that Pakistan might use it in future conflicts, especially in Kashmir. India also wanted to weaken Pakistan's military strength in the early years. Q8. Question: what is meant in Susi by a spirit of retaliation? इंतकाम के जज्बे का क्या मतलब है? Answer. It means that people wanted revenge for violence done to them. When one group was attacked, they responded by attacking others. This created a cycle of violence and made the situation worse. Q9. Question: which 3 states faced particular problems over the decision to join Pakistan? किन 3 रियासतों को मसला था? Answer. कश्मीर, Hyderabad, Junagadh. These states had rulers whose decisions did not match the wishes of their populations, leading to disputes. Q10. Question: what does the K in Pakistan stand for? पाकिस्तान में K का मतलब क्या है? Answer. The letter K stands for Kashmir, showing its importance in the idea of Pakistan. Q11. Question: why was the canal waters dispute so serious? पानी का मसला क्यों संगीन था? Answer. Pakistan depended heavily on rivers for agriculture, especially in Punjab. If India controlled a stopped water supply, it could destroy crops, damage farming, and cause economic collapse. That is why it was a very serious issue. Q12. Question: explain what was meant by unparalleled difficulties and untold sufferings. नाकाबिल बयान मुश्किलात क्या थीं? Answer. It means that Pakistan faced problems that were extremely serious and had never been seen before. There was mass violence, extreme poverty, and millions of refugees suffering without homes, food, or safety. Q13. Question: in what way were Pakistanis victims? पाकिस्तानी कैसे मुतासिर हुए? Answer. Pakistanis suffered as victims of partition violence. Many were killed, forced to leave their homes, and lost their families and property. They also faced fear, insecurity, and displacement. Q14. Question: why were the supporters urged not to be afraid of death? लोगों को मौत से न डरने का क्यों कहा गया? Answer. They were encouraged to be brave and strong during difficult times. Leaders wanted people to defend Pakistan and not lose courage, even if they faced danger or sacrifice. Q15. Question: how do you think people would have felt after hearing these words? लोग ये सुनकर कैसे महसूस करते? Answer. People would feel inspired, emotional, and patriotic. Many would feel ready to sacrifice for Pakistan and protect their new country with courage and unity. Q16. Question: Why was there a dispute over Kashmir? कश्मीर पर तनाज़ुर क्यों था? Answer: Because Kashmir had a Muslim majority population but was ruled by a Hindu ruler. Both India and Pakistan wanted control over it, which created conflict. Q17. Question: How did the dispute lead to war with India? ये जंग तक कैसे पहुंचा? Answer: Fighting started when Kashmir's ruler joined India and Indian troops entered the state. Pakistan also got involved, and this turned into full military conflict. Q18. Question: What action did the United Nations take? अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा ने किया? Answer: The UN called for a ceasefire to stop fighting and suggested a plebiscite vote so that Kashmiris could decide their future. Q19 Quick Questions AA. Question: Quick Questions AA Kashmir section. मुख्तसर सवालात एक कश्मीर वाला हिस्सा. Q19A. Question: Why was the ruler of Kashmir confused? कश्मीर का हुक्मरान क्यों उलझन में था? Answer: He was confused because India, Pakistan, and internal rebels all pressured him. Q19B. Question: What condition did India give for sending troops into Kashmir? भारत ने फौज भेजने की क्या शर्त रखी? Answer: Kashmir must join India first. Q19C. Question: Why was the accession document backdated? अलहक़ के कागज़ को पिछली तारीख क्यों दी गई? Answer: To make it look legal before Indian troops entered. Q19B. Question: Why is SOSA important? माख़ज़ क्यों अहम है? Answer: It shows promise of a plebiscite vote. Q19A. Question: What was Pakistan's proposal and why did India reject it? पाकिस्तान की तजवीज़ और भारत का रद्द-ए-अमल किया था. Answer: Pakistan wanted troop withdrawal and a vote, but India refused because it claimed Kashmir legally belonged to it. Q20. Question: What is the LOC? LOC क्या है? Answer: LOC means line of control. It is the boundary that separates Indian-controlled Kashmir and Pakistani-controlled Kashmir. Q21. Question: Explain India's claim to own Kashmir. भारत का दावा किया है? Answer: India says Kashmir legally became part of India when its ruler signed the accession agreement. Q22. Question: How does Pakistan challenge India's claim? पाकिस्तान भारत के दावे को कैसे रद्द करता है? Answer: Pakistan says the ruler had no right to decide alone and the people of Kashmir were not given the chance to vote. Q23. Question: Why does the Pakistan-controlled area have two names? इस इलाके के दो नाम क्यों हैं? Answer: Because India and Pakistan both describe the region differently based on their political views and claims. Q24. Question: How has India dealt with the views of Kashmiris? भारत ने कश्मीरियों के ख्यालात के साथ किया? Answer: India has often ignored Kashmiri wishes and controlled protests instead of fully allowing people to decide freely. Q25. Question: Why has the Kashmir crisis not been resolved? कश्मीर मसला हल क्यों नहीं हुआ? Answer: Because both India and Pakistan refuse to give up their claims, and tensions, wars, and disagreements continue. Q26. Question: What were Quaid-e-Azam's aims for Pakistan? कायदे-ए-आज़म के मकासद क्या थे? Answer: He wanted Pakistan to be a democratic country based on justice, equality, education, strong economy, and strong defense. Q27. Question: Why was Fatima Jinnah called Mother of the Nation? फातिमा जनाह को माने मिल्लत क्यों कहा जाता है? Answer: Because she supported Quaid-e-Azam and played a major role in helping Pakistan before and after independence. Q28. Question: Why was Quaid-e-Azam important? कायदे-ए-आज़म क्यों अहम थे? Answer: He led the creation of Pakistan and guided the country during its difficult early years. Q29. Question: Why did India and others think Pakistan would collapse after his death? पाकिस्तान खत्म होने का ख्याल क्यों था? Answer: Because Pakistan depended heavily on his leadership, and many believed the country was too weak to survive without him. Q30. Question: Why did Quaid-e-Azam make this statement in Sosdi? ये बयान क्यों दिया? Answer: He wanted to encourage people, build unity, and give courage during a time of extreme difficulty. Q31. Question: Why is Susi important? माखज़े क्यों अहम है? Answer: It shows how respected Quaid-e-Azam was internationally and how important his leadership was in creating Pakistan. Q32. Question: Why was Quaid-e-Azam important to Pakistan's survival? पाकिस्तान के लिए कायदे-ए-आज़म क्यों अहम थे? Answer: He provided strong leadership, helped solve early problems, united people, and ensured Pakistan survived its most difficult early years. If you want, I can also turn this into exam revision notes or short memorization points for quick learning.